How do you navigate the challenges of integrating cutting edge technology into a highly regulated healthcare industry?
It, I think that we saw with COVID what happens when you strip away some of the red tape and let a few companies run with things and also leverage government dollars to invest in innovation. And in some areas, particularly with, for example, telehealth coverage and whatnot, there was a little mentality of, oh, wait a minute, that worked out okay. We don't need to start adding back all of these restrictions because care was provisioned in a way that we hadn't envisioned before, and it worked. It's such a tough question because obviously you're dealing with people's lives and health, and so the regulation comes from a well-intentioned place in terms of wanting to provision care that is evidence-based and that is consistent with current recommendations. But yeah, we do have to balance in innovation and clinical trials. I think clinical trials is an area where there's been a lot of focus on expanding access, and that kind of ultimately helps support innovation in the sciences. And I don't know that it's better or worse, but I would like to think that there's some better tolerance for innovation between everything that we've seen with the GLP-1s recently, everything that we saw through COVID and vaccine development and the pace of that, and then also just the expansion that we're starting to see in the clinical trial space.